It's warm, it's fairly flat, but it's wet.
He says, absolutely, like it's a prayer. Says indeed, like it's gospel. Colorblind cop with an O-light beam.
That's not nice.
Let's rewind.
Will you stop?
Rolls with Bob like a loyal pup. Rides shotgun, sipping Fountain Dew from a holiday cup. Says, what's happening, brother, with a crooked grin. Like hanging out at Willards taught him how to blend in. 2 bars, 3 drinks, 4 hospitality friends. He plays VINGO, not bingo, the joke never ends. Laugh track in uniform, boots on the floor. Can't pass the test, but Bob let him score.
Will you stop?
Stepchild, daddy dentures whistle when he talks. Flashlight fetish loves his nightly walks.
Jason
Stick
Mike
Hock.
Hock.
He reads him deadpan, thinks it's hockey names, doesn't know the scam. Absolutely Pat, you're the yes man king.
That's not nice.
Agree to anything, just don't say a thing. Bob says jump, you say what height.
Jesus Christ.
Even when he steers you straight into the light. The lady asked if he got it up. He stammered, she laughed, said,
Y'all
wanna see some pussy? Black pussy, white pussy, pink pussy. Real quick, peeled out, no time to get sassy. Bob hit reverse, muttered she was reaching, but Pat sat frozen, dentures screeching. She said, give me a light, but he quit that vice. Since the second wife, it was the third not precise. He spoke in riddles, boss still jive. Half a step late, but just a lie.
Jesus Christ.
Rewind to 98. Flashlights flew like fists of fate. Artie scram, cuffed, unarmed. Pat swung hard, and the system disarmed. Javelot beam in a hand once feared. Back then, no cams, no voices heard clear. Sons and daughters of St. Paul wept, while Pat forgot or maybe just slept. Bob called him eagle-eyed, but colors blur when truth walks by. Can't see the plate, can't name the hue, but somehow still tells black from blue.
That's not nice.
Absolutely, Pat, your silence roars. Behind every indeed, an unopened door. Shield for a sheriff, sponge for blame. Still flashing that light, still playing the game.
Jesus Christ.
He failed the test, but passed the vibe, and the flashlight still charged.
She was grabbing for Pat's crotch.
She was reaching.
She was reaching for Pat's crotch.